guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another quick little install from Xrsbeauty. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. So we got like, cute little comb or whatever, white tooth comb, 2 wig caps, and they're actually dark, thank god, an elastic band to attach to your wig, an edge brushing comb, and some rods to curl your hair if you want to. So this is the wig right here. The density is 200%, but if you're one of the natural girls, like you don't really like too much hair, then you can go for 150. It's basically like less hair. So yeah, so if you want like a thick head of hair, then you can go for 250, but it's either 150 or 200 for me. So the length is 18 inches, and this is their straight human hair. It's a 13x6, so the lace is from ear to ear, and you got 6 inches of parting space going back, so you can do a middle part, side part, to the left, to the right, whatever, to the left, you know what I'm saying? And this is their new clear HD lace. It's clean and clear, you know what I'm saying? We've been talking about this for a while. The lace is really good, you guys. Like, you're gonna see in a minute. I mean, you saw it in the intro, but like, I don't know if y'all are liking what you've been seeing so far, but I just readjusted the straps in the back so that it can fit on my head a little more snug. I mean, the wig cap is my size, but it depends on like how snug you want it. And if you do it like that, and if you like add the strap, like the elastic band on the inside, you can actually make it fit like a glueless wig, which is also really nice. So with this hair now, I'm gonna go through with my hot comb, and I'm just gonna flatten her out. And again, this is a 200% density, so she's pretty thick, you know what I'm saying? If you got like a tiny head and you want like a more natural fit, I guess, you don't want like too much hair on your head, you can definitely go for 150. 150 is nice. 150 is cute, and 200 is like bam, and 250 is like, it's like we finna do burlesque, bitch. It's like, it's giving RuPaul. Like, if you want that much hair, then yeah, girl. So I'm cutting off the lace, and I cannot find my crimping shears, if that's what it's called. I can't find it, like the scissors to make the zigzag cut. I can't find it, because like if you just cut it straight across, it's pretty obvious. But if you cut it in like a zigzag type of style, type of way, then it's gonna blend in so much more. So I'm gonna go in with my foundation to make it like, imagine with my skin tone, whatever. My foundation is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid NW58. Yes, believe it or not, that's my shade. And I'm actually attaching the adjustable strap because I want that snug fit. Sometimes, honestly, it's a little too snug, and I just end up taking it off. But I don't know, it's up to you guys. Like, it depends on like just what you want. And I'm gonna comb through with my white tooth comb, because that's gonna, with a white tooth comb, it's like you're tugging on the hair less, so you're not really pulling at the hair too much. So as y'all can see, she's like blending into my skin or whatever. So this was actually when I was heading to Okinawa. And when you're traveling and you just want things to be like, like you want shit to be like snug as fuck. So I was like, I'm gonna be working the weekend, and like every time I go to Okinawa, it's like a mini vacation for me. So I'm just like, you know what? Let me just try to put this wig on with some lace glue, because I'm actually allergic to this stuff. Whenever I put it on, like, you guys, I get really bad breakouts. My hairline is falling off, like my whole face is falling off. But I was just like, you know what, let me just do it this one time. Like, if I do it occasionally, like if you're an occasional drinker or smoker, it's still gonna fuck you up in the long run. But like, you gotta like put your feet in the waters every now and then. So yeah, I put my glue on and I'm gonna tie her down for a little bit, and then I'm gonna work on the rest of the hair. Alright, so after I got my makeup did and whatever, I am gonna flat iron the hair and then work on the baby hairs. So I'm actually pulling on those baby hairs because I don't want to go in with the hot comb. Like, that's on my scalp, you know. Like, for the girls who do it and don't have issues, kudos to you, but like my real edges, like my real edges and my scalp be messing up these days, and I'm just like, what the hell is going on? So like all this extra heat on my edges, I really don't want to do it. I really don't. So I'm pulling on it to like let it lay in the direction and where I want it to lay, and I'm gonna just cut off the amount that I want, and I'm just gonna lay my edges with some gel, and then when it's done laid, I'm gonna comb through it or brush through it so that it can have like that soft effect, because we're not doing the crispy edges. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you can do the crispy edges, it's giving ballroom style hair, but still, if you want it to look like super natural, like, oh, this is how my edges are actually laying, then you can like brush it out when it's all set and stuff. And yeah. So when I'm done with that, this is how my hair is looking. The lace is lacing, the baby hair is baby hairing. I don't always do like the curly baby hairs, but I really like it. And if you don't like it, you don't have to do it. Like, people are gonna do what they like to do, what they want to do, and vice versa. So yeah, she is super straight, she's flowing, she's going with the wind. Like, she's cute. I like it. She's soft, silky, and I'm saying, like, oh my god, she's giving Indian, but not really. Y'all know these straight black hairs be giving me the Indian look. And I love it. I really love it. So everything y'all need to know about this wig will be in the description down below. Yeah, cop this wig for the Christmas, for the new year. Like, girl, you know I'm always gonna put you on. Like, if it's not good, I'm gonna tell y'all that it's not good. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see y'all in the next one. Bye.